Good morning students. Let's start Unit 6 Addition and Subtraction up to 20. We know that 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. We can place them one below the other and add as shown along the side. Look at this side. Its ones place. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. We see that 4 ones and 3 ones added together gives 7 ones, or we write 4 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 7 ones. We shall use T for tens or 104 ones place. Addition of a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Example, add 14 and 3. Solution. Step 1. Write the 1-digit number below the 2-digit number. Step 2. Add the digits in the ones place. We have to write like this: tens, ones. First of all, we write 14 and 3. We get 4 ones and 3 ones. 4 ones and 3 ones is equal to 7 ones. So write 7 in the ones place of the answer. Step 3. Add the digits in the tens place. We get 1 10 plus 0 tens because here we have only 3. There is no number of any tens. So write 1 in the tens place of the answer. Look here. One. From step 2 and 3, 1 10 and 7 1 gives us 17. So our answer is 17. Page number 72. Story sum. Example, Anya has 11 toys. Her mother gave her one more toy. How many toys does Anya have now? So, solution. Number of toys Anya has 11. Number of toys her mother gave 1. Number of toys Anya has now, it's 12. We add 1 plus 1 to 1 is equal to 1 because we have no numbers here. So we add 1 plus 0. So 1. So Anya has 12 toys now. Example 3. Komal has 17 marbles. Her brother gives her 2 more marbles. How many marbles does Komal have in all? Solution. Number of marbles Komal has 17. We put 1 at the place of 10 and 7 at the place of 1. Number of marbles her brother gave. We write 2 at the place of ones. Number of marbles Komal has in all. 7 plus 2 9. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So Komal has 19 marbles in all. Exercise 6a. Add the following. Here we have some exercise of addition. Ones at the place of tens and 4 at the place of ones. We have 5 at the place of ones. So we add 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 is equal to 1. 1 at the place of tens and 0 is at the place of ones. 6 at the place of ones. So we add 0 plus 6 is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Solve all these questions like this. We have some word problems here. Page number 73. There are 14 blue fish and 2 orange fish in a lake. How many blue and orange fishes together are there in a lake? We put 1 at the place of tens and 4 at the place of ones. Again 2 oranges fish, we put 2 at the place of ones. Our answer is 16. Aditi has a packet of 10 cookies. Her father gives her a packet of 6 cookies. How many cookies does she have now? Atiti has a packet of 10 cookies. So we write 10 here. Her father gives her 6 cookies. 6. How many cookies does she have now? She has 16 cookies all. There are 13 girls and 5 boys in a classroom. 13 girls and 5 boys. How many students are there in a classroom in all? How many students? 18. Raj had 7 pens. His father gave him 2 more pens. How many pens does Raj have now? Raj has 7 pens and his father gave him 2 more. So Raj has 9 pens now. Now exercise 6B, page number 74. Add the following using the number line. Bring the answer you reach. 0 plus 9. We have 0 over here. Add 9. So jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. 19 plus 1. First of all we count 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now we want to add 1, so jump once. We get our answer is 20. 6 plus 12. Count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 12. So jump 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we get the answer 18. Our answer is 18. 2 plus 15. Count 2. 1, 2. Now jump 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we get the answer 17. 14 plus 6. Count 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get our answer 20. Exercise 6C, page number 76. Subtract the following. We have 2 digits at the place of ones or tens. Here we have only ones place digit. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. हम किसी भी नंबर में if we add 1 we get the next number. If we less 1 we get the before number. Same, if we add 0 we will get the same number. If we less 0 we get the same number. कोई चेंज उसमें नहीं होता है. जैसे हमने 1 में से 1 माइनस किया तो वी गेट द बिफोर नंबर, यानी जो 1 था उससे पहले क्या आता है 0. सो वी गेट द बिफोर नंबर. बट यहाँ 1 में से जब हमने 0 माइनस किया तो वी गेट द सेम नंबर. बी 2 minus 1. Our answer is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Answer is 11. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Our answer is 11. 19 minus 3. So 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 17 minus 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Do as the same. Question number 2. There were 16 buttons in a box. 2 buttons were lost. How many buttons are left in the box? How many buttons we have in a box? 16 buttons. How many we lost? 2. So how many buttons are left in the box? Less 6 minus 2 4, 1 minus 0 1. So now we have 14 buttons. Out of 15 biscuits, 2 were eaten. How many biscuits are left? Out of 15 biscuits, 2 biscuits were eaten. यानी उसमें से 2 बिस्किट खा लिए गए तो वो कम हो गए. So how many biscuits we have now? 5 minus 2 3, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. There were 13 chalk pieces on the table. The teacher used 3 chalk pieces. How many chalk pieces are left? How many pieces are there? 13. 3 pieces were used. So how many we have? 3 minus 3 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Exercise 6D. Use the number line and do the subtraction. Write the answer in the box. 20 minus 4. Find the number 20. If we want to add, we go forward, and if we want to less, we come backward. Okay? जब हमने एडिशन किया था नंबर लाइन पे, we go forward, हम आगे जाते हैं. जब हमें लेस करना होता है, हम पीछे आते हैं, backward. Okay? So find the number 20 minus 4. Come backward 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the number we get? 16. So our answer is 16. 17 minus 6. Find the number 17. Here we find the number 17. We want to less 6. So come backward 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get the answer 11. So our answer is 11. 18 minus 4. Find the number 18 and less 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 14. 11 minus 8. Find the number 11. Less 8. Come backward 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 3. Here we have question number 2. It is a shame the question number 1, but we have to ring the answer over here. Subtract the following using the number line. Ring the answer you reach. 10 minus 6. Find the number 10. Come backward 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What answer we get? 4. Answer is 4. 13 minus 8. Find the number 13. Less 8. Come backward 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We find 5. So our answer is 5. Put these numbers in circles. 4, 5. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the answer 6. 19 minus 4. Find the number 19. Less 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the answer 15. The summary of this unit is addition can be done by writing the numbers one below the other or by using a number line. Okay, we can do addition. हम एडिशन कैसे कर सकते हैं? नंबर्स को एक दूसरे के नीचे लिखकर या फिर नंबर लाइंस के ऊपर, जैसा कि अभी हमने पढ़ा है. एज सेम सब्ट्रैक्शन कैन बी डन बाय क्रॉसिंग आउट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. हम ऑब्जेक्ट्स ड्रॉ करके और उन्हें क्रॉस करके सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं बाय राइटिंग द स्मॉलर नंबर बिलो द ग्रेटर नंबर, और ग्रेटर नंबर ऊपर और स्मॉलर नंबर नीचे. जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं ग्रेटर नंबर ऊपर आता है, स्मॉलर नंबर नीचे आता है. और बाय यूजिंग अ नंबर लाइन, और एक नंबर लाइन को हम यूज़ करके भी सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर बाय कोर्स.